Low taxes, half-acre fenced yard, well-maintained and a great location are just the tip of the iceberg for this wonderful property. Built in 2004, you will love this open concept floor plan with split bedrooms. Over 2,300 square feet finished throughout. Large master bedroom with big walk-in closet and great master bathroom is at the back of the house and one guest bedroom or office up front. Huge living room, dining area and kitchen is showcased with tons of natural daylight. Main floor laundry. Basement includes bedroom, bathroom, storage room, crafting/hobby room and huge family room which walks out to the gigantic backyard. The fenced yard is over half acre and has a large shed. Sadel Schools. View the virtual